All right, today I'm going to walk you through 7 high-profit digital products that you can create using AI tools. Now, I'm going to cover some of these ideas pretty quickly, but that's just because I'm making full-length tutorials for them very soon, so you'll want to make sure you're subscribed. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of AI for some serious passive income.
And yeah, you are seeing that number correctly. Some of these product ideas can actually generate that much in a single month. We're talking about the potential for some really life-changing passive income here. But what makes this kind of profit even possible? Well, the magic of digital products really comes down to the math. With a staggering 91% profit margin, your overhead is almost zero. Think about it. No shipping, no inventory. You just create a product once and it can sell over and over again forever. And because most people haven't really caught on yet, a lot of these niches are still wide open.
So we know the what, high-profit digital products, but the real game changer here is the how. How are regular people, without years of special training, breaking into these markets? Well, the answer is artificial intelligence. These AI tools are leveling the playing field for everyone, and we're about to show you exactly how you can use them.
So instead of just giving you a boring list of ideas, we've organized this whole thing into a strategic playbook. We've broken it down into 3 distinct plays, and each one is tailored to different creative strengths. So just find the play that fits you best, and let's get started.
First up, play number 1, the visual designer. This one is for anyone who has a good eye for things that look good, even if you don't have the technical design skills yourself. AI image generation is about to become your new best friend.
And our first product idea is maybe one of the strangest, but it's also surprisingly profitable. Seamless patterns. These are basically the digital building blocks for everything from custom wrapping paper to website backgrounds. It's a niche that's just quietly making people a ton of money.
And this slide really paints the picture. A shop like Sweet Shop Design has pulled in around $70,000 just from selling these cheap little pattern packs. And even smaller shops like Papers by Helen are making some serious passive income with just a handful of listings. The barrier to get in is so low, but the potential profit is really high.
And the AI workflow? It's actually incredibly simple. You start by giving a prompt to an AI image generator like Midjourney to create your design. Then you just use a free tool like Photopea to make it a repeatable pattern. And that's pretty much it. You could literally create dozens of unique patterns in one afternoon, ready to list for sale. Okay, sticking with that visual design theme, let's move on to our next idea, wedding resources. This is a huge, evergreen market that is absolutely perfect for the typical Etsy customer. We're talking invitations, save the dates, table settings, all things that are in super high demand.
I mean, the potential in this niche is it's absolutely staggering. One shop, A Wild Bloom Printables, has likely made close to $1.6 million selling digital wedding resources, and the demand never stops. Another shop just hit the top 100 sellers, making almost $35 grand in a single month. This market is just hungry for new designs.
Okay, now this part right here is critical. This is what separates the amateurs from the pros. See, while AI is amazing at creating beautiful images, it's terrible with text. It just spits out these weird, alien-like scribbles. Your value as the creator is to fix that. You take the beautiful AI image, clean up all the gibberish, and add editable text boxes using a tool like Canva. You turn a static image into a customizable, high-value template.
The third idea in our visual designer playbook is one of the most profitable of all, high-end logo design. And here's the best part. Thanks to AI, you do not need to be a professional graphic designer to compete in this space anymore.
So you might be thinking, wait a minute, why would someone pay for an AI-generated logo? Well, there's 2 reasons. First, most people just have no idea this technology even exists. And second, as this quote says, there's a real skill in crafting the perfect prompt to get a professional result. Clients aren't just paying for the image, they're paying for your expertise, and most importantly, your speed. So, let's do a quick recap of the visual designer play. We've got patterns, wedding resources, and logos. This table breaks down the key numbers for each one, showing you how much of the work AI can do, how hard it is, and what the low monthly costs are. As you can see, AI handles the heavy lifting across the board, which makes all of these ideas super accessible. All right, let's shift gears now to our second strategy. This is play number 2, the information architect. This is for all of you who are good at research and organizing information. In this playbook, language models like ChatGPT become your main tool for creating products.
First up in this play are niche industry guides. Just think of any job that relies on checklists, guides, or client handouts. Real estate agents, photographers, coaches, you name it. A perfect example is making beautifully designed buyer and seller guides that real estate agents can just slap their brand on and give to their clients.
And trust me, the market for these guides is definitely there. One shop that only focuses on real estate templates has brought in an estimated $244,000. You can use ChatGPT to create all the core content. Just ask it to outline a home buyer's guide, and boom, it'll give you a detailed structure and even write the first draft for you, saving you hours and hours of research.
Next up, we've got a classic, but it's a classic for a reason: resume templates. The top shops in this niche bring in incredible passive income, a lot of times without even adding new products. The big advantage AI gives you here is volume. You can generate a crazy amount of different designs and professional-sounding text, which lets you build out a huge shop way faster than your competition.
So here's the quick summary for our information architect play. For both guides and resumes, AI can handle about 70% of the heavy lifting by generating the content and the initial design ideas. Your job is just to handle the final layout and add that final polish. And with super low monthly costs, this is a really profitable and easy way to get started.
And that brings us to our final strategy, play number 3, the Business Accelerator. Now, this playbook is all about B2B, or business to business. You're not just making products, you're creating essential digital tools that help other entrepreneurs and creators succeed in their own businesses.
Two fantastic ideas in this playbook are business card templates and product mockups. Business cards are the perfect upsell for anyone who's already offering logo design services. And product mockups, well, those are essential for every single digital seller out there. You can use Midjourney to create photorealistic scenes, like a coffee mug on a kitchen counter or a poster in a frame, and then turn those into templates that other sellers can use to show off their own products.
So, we've gone through 7 different products across 3 strategic plays. But before we wrap this up, let's just zoom out for a second and focus on the single most important takeaway from all of this.
Look, if you remember only one thing from today, let it be this: AI is your co-pilot, not the pilot. It can generate designs, write text, and spark ideas at an unbelievable speed. But it is your creativity, your curation, and your skill in refining that output that creates a product someone will actually want to buy. You are still the creator.
And that brings us to the final and most important question. We've laid out the playbook, we've shown you the power of the tools. The only thing left to decide is what you're going to build. So, what will your AI copilot help you create?